Yep, that is me. So how did I get here? All right, hold up a minute. Let me take you back to the beginning.
I am shocked.
So, guys, it was NYSC's 50th anniversary since its inception. So they asked us to come to the headquarters. I had no idea why, but they said that was where we were supposed to do our CDS that day. So I went, and then when I got there were some kind of activities already going on. The band was playing. I still had no idea what was coming. So this guy came on to give us a morale song. If you know me very well, I love morale songs. So I learned a new one that day, and then that was when we discovered that we were going to have to work. They said it was a unity walk all the way from Maitama to Eagle Square. Eagle Square is in Garki, I guess. So we were not prepared for it, but I was excited to go anyways. I wasn't I probably wanted to walk. I wasn't feeling too well, but I wanted to go anyways. So the RSM proceeded to give us some instruction on how to go about it. Said we didn't have any business with anybody. Of course, we did not. And then he said,
Sir, stop! Stop!
anyways, after he finished talking, the DG was invited to speak to us. That was the first time I was seeing the DG. He looked quite simple. I don't know what I was expecting, but he looked simple. So he also spoke to us about what and what not to do. And afterwards, we arranged in rows of threes, which later scattered in 3 minutes. But does it matter? This was where we began our journey, and then we started the work. I thought it was just an easy thing. Little did I know. We worked for the RSM said it was supposed to be for 2 minutes. We worked for 40 to an hour, if I remember correctly, or for 30 to an hour. But it was fun. The band was in front of us, and then behind us there was like a DJ doing their thing behind us, but I was in front at first. Guys, this man was arguing with the soldier. He wanted to pass. The soldier was trying to direct him so that we do not obstruct him, but he wanted to fight. So we kept walking, we were dancing, and just look at this, our hype man. It was all hyped and everything. And so were we. Just look at this. Anyways, we kept working with the ginger. At some point, I don't know who this guy is, but he was so hyped that to take this video. I have to make a video of him. He's my guy. Whether I know him or not, he's really my guy. So I was working with a friend, and then at one point I found myself side by side with the DG. So I was trying to get in between the soldier that was guarding him. I was like, let's go close so that we snap with him. And then he now noticed that we're bickering. So he called me. Omo, when he called me and he was speaking to me, but I asked the cameraman afterwards. I said, did you take that shot? Anyways, he said, since I didn't have a job and I was talking too much, I should take the flag. So I became a flag bearer. Flag bearer stayed behind the banner. So I became a flag bearer. So we go. I enjoyed the job. I did not allow the DJ to rest that day. All I wanted to do was to get the picture anyways. And also I want to ask him that, sir, please, this 50k that you wanted to increase, like this increments, when is it happening? I've been hearing about it. Of course I didn't ask him, but I also didn't get a picture. So this was when we got to Eagle Square, and then they arranged us. We did some aerobics, just warmed down, and then they gave us some, is it moral talk? I don't know. He just spoke to us for some minutes. We didn't stay long here. Afterwards, we took pictures and videos. Afterwards, it was time to leave. Anyways, I was still using side eye to look for the DJ. I wanted that picture so bad, but it was in a press conference, so I couldn't see him. Thank you for watching. Bye.